Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. Hope you all doing good and enjoyed your weekend. Thanks for joining the session. I am Shakil Ahmed from Training Department of Deanship of E-Learning and IT. Today, we're going to have very interesting and innovative discussion about designing of interactive ebook. No doubt we are in the era of digital transformation, and digital transformation is the adoption of digital technology to transform services or businesses. Through replacing non-digital or manual processes with digital process, or replacing older digital technology with newer technology, that is called transformation. And we have seen the COVID crisis rapidly reshape both the what and how to do. Nowadays, teachers are facing students who are living in the world of digital, and teachers as digital immigrants. In order to be compatible with the students, teachers have to be able to create a teaching learning activity which is using the digital tools as media. One of the most popular media used by teachers in the classroom is to convert traditional books into digital, which can grab their attentions and also motivate them in teaching and learning activities. So we're gonna have something very interesting that need to be discussed, and I believe all the teachers who belong to any of the field, doesn't matter they belongs to the medical, engineering, or whatever the field they have it, they need to know about the new techniques and software, how to design and how to convert their traditional courses into digital courses. So by using these techniques and softwares, you can turn your devices into your interactive dictionary. So let's take a start. Our agenda is 1, 2, 3, 4. We will start discussion with the ebook, what is ebook, and how it can transform. Then we will discuss about ebook design, and in the end we will take some very interesting and easy software for designing an ebook. This session is very important, and I gonna tell you, if you keep yourself with us till end of the session, it would have very interesting and informative informations gonna be discussed with you. So keep in touch, and let's see what is in next. We need to start with what's an ebook. If I say in simple words, so for understanding, you can say transformation of handwritten notes into digital form, or once you try to compose some your personal information, your notes, your books into digital form. And this digital form can be in different formats. It can be in Microsoft Words, it can use different softwares to compose these softwares. And day by day it is making more important and more easy for you to transform your information. Because in my era, when I was student, I believe that I have to note it down all the information on my notebook, and then I need to carry that notebook whole year with me. And if someone or any of the student can lose or lost that book, it means he lost all the studies. But then transformation started with the from traditional to digital. Then what happened, that students and teachers start converting their traditional books into ebooks, and they try to write it down and save it down, all the information in the computer. And there are a lot of benefits we have taken with this one, and we will discuss in detail in coming slides. So I can say a book composed in or converted to a digital format for display on computer screen or handheld devices, that is called ebook. An ebook is a non-editable and reflowable book, and we will discuss why it should be non-editable and reflowable and what is the benefit for that one. And that is converted to a digital format to be read on any digital device such as computer, screen, or mobile devices. In easy words, you can say that anything that's been able to be readable on the computers or on a digital screen, that is called like digital transformation. So whatever the information you are watching, you are reading, and you are experiencing with the computers, with handheld devices, and that handheld devices can be your mobile, your iPad, or any other device which can be used to watch, to read, or to experience digital informations. That is called the like you can say, this is the technology, and this technology, digital devices and digital technology, need to use to save and carry all the informations. Characteristics of an ebook. What are the major characteristics and what are the major benefits we can take with this kind of ebook? First of all, you need to have, it should be editable. Non-editable ebook shouldn't be editable. It means you need to focus on that one, that your book is converted into format that ensures it's uneditable. There is a reason. For example, if you are not using the extensions which are which not allow to edit, that would give you the benefits, and that is very interesting. The reason behind that, whatever the information you are putting in your book, if it is editable, it means anyone can add informations, and they can use their own name, and then can distribute and forward in the different communities. So you need to follow the instructions that your ebook shouldn't be editable, that should not be editable. And we will use some of the extensions which does not allow anyone to change any of the information inside that book. The second one is ebook are reflowable. Reflowable means any of the information, I mean, like, you know that all the digital devices could not have the same like screen size. Some could have, your mobile have the smaller screen, your iPad or notepad could have a little higher, a 9 or 10 inches screen is, but your Apple or your laptop starts with the 14 or 15-inch screens, but even your desktop could have more than 21 or 27 screens. So reflowable means your book should have the format that can display on all the digital devices in the same format. It doesn't mean like you are going to watch or you are going to read your book on mobile, and it could have all the information, but once you try to stretch it down to the desktop PC have that could have 21-inch or 27-inch screen, that is being stretched and information's being distracted over there. So you need to be careful that number one, that your ebook shouldn't be editable. The second more important characteristics is that is ebook are reflowable, that should be automatically change from one device to another device. So this means that no matter what the size of the screen you are viewing the ebook on, it will always fit your screen. Text will remain formatted with line breaks, and chapters and images will resize to fit the proportion of the devices you are reading on. The next one is what kind of format or extensions you need to use. Dozens actually, but to keep it simple, we are going to focus on top three extensions which are normally used for the ebook formats. That could be PDF and Mobi and EPUB. EPUB is the most common extension which means used for the publication of the books. The traditional books need to convert into formats, and the best one is EPUB. PDF and Mobi also used it. PDF might be more common for you guys. Normally, what we do that. we compose our informations in Microsoft Word, and then we convert these informations into PDF. The reason behind is that you want to carry that information, or you want to send that information to someone else, but you want to keep all the formatting and all the text and whatever the formatting you have done, you want to keep it the same. So you want to convert in the portable document format. So whatever the device, doesn't matter, it's desktop, and whatever the platform it is been using, it does not matter as well. So all of the formattings and informations would have to be displayed on the same one. And same the case with the ebook. Popular ebook devices, whatever, mean like you can take the example that whatever the device which is available for digital information viewing angle and readable angle, that is popular for ebook for reading, and that could be computers, that could have tablets, smartphones, and the most interesting one is Amazon Kindle. This is one of the best device to read your books, and we have a detail with this one that Kindle is basically anti-glare device, and once you start reading, you feel you have a traditional book in front of you because it's anti-glare, and you cannot have any damage to your eyes, or it's not make you tired by reading. And there are many other devices as well. So whatever the device you use, the digital device you use to read the electronic book, that is related to ebook devices. How it starts. Ebook readers, for sure, once you are try to create the ebook, and you are going to transform your ebook from traditional book to ebook, or you are going to make digital your handwritten notes to the digital copy or in the ebook. And for sure you need the devices which need to be able to read all these ebook styles or extensions. So it would be started in 1971 with the project Gutenberg, and it was a volunteer effort to digitize and archive cultural works, and to encourage the creation and distribution of ebooks. It was founded in 1971 by American writer Michael S. Hart. And later on, it's been transforming to different devices. In 1999, like it was Rocket ebook portable reader. It was, you can carry and you can keep this device with you wherever you want to move, so you can read your books. In 2000, Microsoft introduced the Reader PC software, so you can read ebooks by using Microsoft. But the major change, what I believe, that was in 2007, that was Amazon.com brings and released the device that is called Kindle. And the main important part of this device was that there is no difference at the time of reading between traditional book and digital book. Normally, what kind of problems we can face by reading the traditional book and the digital book, that in digital book normally devices are glare, their screens are reflecting lot of rays. So after reading 5 to 7 minutes, you can feel a tiredness in your eyes, so you cannot continue for long, and you cannot enjoy the book reading on the devices. So this special device, Kindle, bring out anti-glare screen, and you feel that you are reading a traditional book, and there is no difference between traditional and digital reading. So this solve a huge problem of the, like you can say, the screen rays or any other harmful rays which can affect your eyes. So this device resolve this problem. And another thing I have seen, like in after 2 or 3 years, like in 2010, Apple releases the iPad, and this is another like famous device, but it's little expensive. The difference between iPad and Amazon Kindle is that iPod is a multi-purpose utilized devices. You can use this device to read the book. You can use it to watch the movies or many other social media plays. You can use it by iPad, but Kindle device is only used for the ebook reading. So during my traveling to Europe, I have seen one very interesting thing for all the English people, that they do not waste their time like us, that whenever they are traveling in the train, in the bus, in the plane, I could uh, I mean, like, I have seen one difference between them and with us. We are sitting alone and we are doing nothing. But any of the European person or English person you have seen, they could have a device that could have Kindle in their hand, and they're reading something, some information, some ebook, some like novels or whatever they want to read, but they have the reading habit. And you know, the reading habit is very important to improve your skills, to improve your knowledge, to introduce with the new tech and new technologies and new kind of informations you can collect, and you can carry on with you. So reading habit, I have seen with the Europeans too much reading habits. So that's why I believe they not do not waste their time during traveling as well. Next, we need to discuss about benefits of ebooks. Why? This is a big question mark. That okay, we do have the traditional books. We could have the handwritten notebooks. Why we have to convert ourselves to traditional ebook styles, and what is the benefits we can take it? The first big benefit is ebooks save the space. For example, at your home, in your bag, you could have 8 to 10 books, and I believe you cannot carry 8 to 10 books at the same time. It could take a lot of space, and it could have the weight, and you cannot carry all the time with you. But it doesn't matter on your small device, even your mobile Kindle device, or your on your iPad, you can carry on, I mean, like, thousands of ebooks without any weight and space at that time. Even, for example, if you do not have the device at the moment, you can upload in the iCloud storage, and you can download these type of informations and ebooks anywhere on any of the device, and you can use on any of the location. It doesn't matter, you just need an internet connection, and you can download, and you can take the benefit. This is one of the biggest I believe the benefit. It can save the space. Ebooks save the money. This is also true. The reason behind that, you need to purchase the traditional book, and you can borrow as well, but in a limited community. For example, you can borrow the book from your friend, or the who is living with you, or who is in your surroundings. But ebooks can be purchased one time, and it can have a very less price. For example, a traditional book cost the $10, but ebook might possible could have $1 or $2 or $3. So it has the prices, very reduced prices, so you can easily manage. Other than to buy, you can have free books to download, and you can share with your friends, with your colleagues, and it doesn't matter wherever they are. You can send, either you're sitting in Saudi Arabia and your friend is in US. With one click, you can share that ebook with your friend, and without any cost, and without any money, and without any problem. So this is another big benefit which can help to improve and distribute your ebooks. Ebooks save the environment for sure. Once you do not have a lot of books which are unusable, once you're done by reading the books, You do not need to destroy them. This is environment friendly, and you can delete or you can save. It's up to you, but it does not affect on your environment. Ebooks are portable and convenient. I already discussed that it's portable. It do not need a specific device to read that one. Any digital device, any computer, any iPad or Kindle, any device you can use to read that books, and they are portable. It doesn't matter that your PC is supporting Windows and the other platform is like the Mac or Apple platform. It doesn't matter whatever the environment is, you can use that portable and convenient ebooks on any of the place or any of the platform as well. Instantly download ebooks. There are too many websites available which offering a lot of free books, and all these books are not only informative, but they are related to coursework and whatever. I have seen there is one website that is pdfdrive.com. pdfdrive.com offering thousands of books free of cost. And I found many books which are very expensive, traditional books. If you're going to buy these books, even digital books have a lot of expense, but this PDF Drive or many other websites offering all these books free of cost. So you can download, you can read them out, you can take benefits, you can share with your colleagues, with your friends, with your students, and there is no cost involved at all. You can change the font size of an ebook. What we have discussed earlier, that this should be reflowable. Reflowable mean you can change the size, and as per the device. For example, if it's the smaller device, you can increase the size, but the layout would not be changed. So it is another benefit that you can increase the font size, you can decrease the font size, and it doesn't affect the layout. So any of the device which you are using, you can read the ebook very easily. Ebooks are searchable. For sure, traditional books are not easy to searchable. You need to go to library, you need to find it out. Might possible the names in the computer, but you need to go to the shelf to find it out, and it's not easy to searchable. But ebooks are able to search with one click. You just need to put on the name and it would be in front of you. Now we understand what's an ebook, and what are the benefits, and what should be and what shouldn't be in the ebook. And the next very important part is that what's an ebook design, and why it's important, and the information, design, and cover. What it will take place in ebook and in the digital book, and why and how we can design this kind of informations, our content and cover. As you all know, that content design and delivery are key essential of successful ebook publishing, and for sure, a good design supports your content, and it should be easy to read, and it helps create good impression and the mind of the reader, and establishes your authority as a writer and publisher. You have heard many times that sometimes first look is the last look, or first impression could create the last impression. Sometimes we have seen lot of informations, and we understand them, the story inside, by their cover. So it is very important, not only in ebook, but it is also important for the traditional book, that as beautiful cover you can design that can attract and grab the attention of the reader. Sometimes information inside is not up to the requirement what you're looking for, but the like attraction of the cover can take your attentions, you can take that book, and at least you can try to explore, because that attracts you, the cover attracts you. So it is very basic requirement of ebook or traditional book, that cover should be a decent one, an interactive one, and your cover should tell the story of your content, what is going on inside, and what information you're going to share with your readers, that could have grab their attentions by the cover. So you need to design a very decent and beautiful and attractive cover. And the title of the book also very important. Try to spend some time and search out which title could exactly uh, like you can say that it can reflect your content, so your title can have also importance for this one. Now, in the next step, we are going to start with our tutorials, that how to design an ebook using different techniques and using some kind of softwares that looks like it was created by a professional. And it's easy now, anyone